An appreciation letter for parents may sound simple, but it can be one of the most meaningful letters you ever write because it gives you the chance to openly express gratitude, love, and recognition for everything your parents have done for you. Unlike formal business or legal letters, this type of letter is personal and informal. That means you can write in a warmer, more natural, and more emotional tone. But even though it is casual, you still want your letter to be organized, sincere, and meaningful. Now let's break down this appreciation letter for parents step by step, what to write, and why each part matters. Sender information. At the beginning of the letter, you can include your name, address, city, and the date. Because this is an informal letter to your parents, this section is actually optional. If you are writing a handwritten note, birthday message, family appreciation letter, or personal thank you letter, you might skip the address completely. However, adding your name and date can still be useful, especially if you want to make the letter feel more complete, memorable, or something your parents can keep and look back on years later. Greeting or salutation. After that, begin with a warm greeting. For example, "Dear Mum and Dad." This part is simple, but very important because it immediately sets the emotional tone of the letter. Since this is a personal letter, you can adjust the greeting depending on your relationship and comfort level. You can write, "Dear Mom and Dad," "Dear Mom," "Dear Dad," to my wonderful parents, or even something more casual and affectionate. The goal here is to make the letter feel direct, personal, and heartfelt. Opening paragraph, state your appreciation. Now move into your opening paragraph. For example, "I am writing this letter to express my deepest appreciation for everything you have done for me throughout my life. Your love, sacrifices, guidance, and constant support have shaped me into the person I am today." This opening paragraph explains the main purpose of your letter. You are telling your parents exactly why you are writing. This matters because appreciation becomes stronger when you clearly say what you are thankful for instead of staying vague. Notice how the example does not only say "thank you." It mentions specific things such as love, sacrifice, guidance, and support. That makes the message more meaningful and personal. When writing your own version, think about the major things your parents have contributed to your life. Maybe they supported your education. Maybe they worked hard to provide for your family. Maybe they encouraged you during difficult moments. Mentioning those things helps make your appreciation feel genuine. Body paragraph, acknowledge their support and encouragement. Next, continue with the body paragraph. For example, "Thank you for always believing in me, even during moments when I doubted myself. Your encouragement has given me the confidence to pursue my goals and face challenges with determination. The values you taught me, kindness, honesty, respect, and hard work, continue to guide me every day." This section goes deeper into your gratitude. Instead of speaking generally, you explain how your parents positively influenced your life. This is important because appreciation letters become more powerful when you describe the impact someone had on you. You can write about emotional support, life lessons, encouragement, personal values, or important memories. Ask yourself questions like, "What lessons did my parents teach me? How did they help me during hard times? What qualities did I learn from them?" Answering questions like these can help you create a sincere and detailed paragraph. Body paragraph, recognize their sacrifices. After that, continue with another body paragraph. For example, "I truly appreciate the countless sacrifices you have made to provide me with opportunities, comfort, and a better future. Your patience, understanding, and unconditional love have been a source of strength in my life." This paragraph focuses on recognition. Parents often make sacrifices that children may not fully notice until later in life. Writing about those sacrifices shows maturity, awareness, and genuine gratitude. You do not need dramatic language here. Simple, honest recognition can be incredibly meaningful. You can mention financial support, emotional support, long working hours, personal sacrifices, family care, education support, or simply their constant presence in your life. The goal is to let them know that their efforts did not go unnoticed. Closing paragraph. Now write your closing paragraph. For example, "Words may never be enough to fully express how grateful I am for your care and dedication. I feel incredibly fortunate to have parents like you, and I will always cherish the lessons, memories, and love we share." This section wraps up your message emotionally. You reinforce your appreciation and end on a warm, loving note. This matters because the ending is often the part people remember most. A strong closing leaves your parents feeling valued, appreciated, and emotionally connected to your message. You can mention gratitude, love, admiration, shared memories, future promises, or your hope to make them proud. Keep it sincere and natural. Thank you statement before closing. Before ending the letter completely, include your final appreciation. For example, thank you for being my role models, my support system, and my greatest blessing. Do not skip this part. This is your final direct expression of gratitude before signing the letter. Even in informal letters, a clear thank you statement gives emotional closure and reminds the reader of the main purpose of your message. Closing and signature. Finally, end the letter with your sign-off. For example, with love and sincere appreciation, your name. Since this is a personal family letter, your closing can be warm and casual. You could use with love, love always, with gratitude, sincerely, or any closing that matches your personality and relationship with your parents. The goal is to end the letter naturally and warmly. Overall, when writing an appreciation letter for parents, remember that perfect grammar or fancy vocabulary is not the most important thing. What matters most is sincerity. Be honest about your feelings, mention specific reasons for your gratitude, and write from the heart because authentic words often mean much more than formal wording. And there you have it, a complete step-by-step guide on how to write an appreciation letter for parents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Writing Practices for more writing guides, letter templates, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.